Hey guys, I'm back with another video. And today in this video, I will be just doing all around stuff, trying to get some golds, maybe diamonds. But I need some diamonds in my lineup. All my diamonds are pitchers, and I need some diamond batters, so I'm trying for that, but it's not looking like it. So. No, what the heck? But yeah, it's my lineup right now. I do have a bronze in there because I don't have any other second basemans, which sucks because I really don't want a bronze in my lineup. But I want to trade in. I want to switch my Josh Donaldson with my Justin Turner, just because Josh Donaldson is a little bit better. But my lineup, and then my pitchers. I have awesome pitchers. Diamonds, gold, David Price. These silvers are silvers, but that's an all-star play. And this Max Scherzer is the best Max Scherzer. I got it from combining 2 silvers and 2 bronzes, and it was the best thing ever. I made a video on that, so you can go check that out. I did get this from combining. I traded him in for my Kelvin Herrera. He is not that good, but he was better than that silver. So I'm probably gonna upgrade him. Let's see. Probably not get anything. Yep. Nothing. But I do want to get some more packs. Haven't gotten packs lately. But there is this new thing. It's called the Special Mini Baseball Game. And collect points, exchange them for packs and all that. I really don't know how it works though, but it's cool. So you have to do all this, and then you get a ticket, and then you can press this play ball button for a ticket, and you press it whenever you get something good. And then if you score, if you get like a double and then a triple, you get a point. And then you can like get all these. But it's complicated, so I don't know. I really wanna get some more players. Ooh. Oh, if I had that Justin Worth or the Morales, Kendrys, Morales, Jason Worth, those would be some good players in my lineup. Definitely have them. But yeah, don't have that good of a lineup right now. So surely. But I kind of want to change it up, maybe. Just because, I don't know. I kind of want to do that. Not. Yeah. Then, gotta upgrade you one more time to get that full upgrade. Let's do that. Come on. Be lucky with me. Come on. Miss it. Come on. Dang it. Nothing. What I do need is a second baseman. That's what I would want, because right now my second baseman is at bronze. Jace Peterson, but I really don't want a bronze in my lineup. So I gotta get a new second baseman. So I think that's gonna be all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. So for now, peace out, guys.